Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of June, where we are incorporating a series of power flow. What that means is you're going to get warm, that heart rate's going to get up, and we're going to move in sequential order to where the biomechanics are good for our body. So make sure you are in a spacious area, and let's get started. In this session, we are going to do a power flow. It's all going to be standing level. Let's go ahead and start at the front of your mat. Feet about hip width apart, shoulders back. Just notice your body, notice how it feels now versus how it will feel in a little bit. It might be cool, the heart rate might be a little bit down. Your short breath might be a little bit noticeable, or you might have a little bit of long breath going. Just notice it. Now let's captivate it and start controlling it. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out, arms down to the sides. 2 more. Inhale through the nose. And if you can, exhale through the nose. Move 1 more time. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. I'm going to go ahead and find a seat. Go ahead and find one with me, please. Your right leg is front, your left leg is back. Arms are up towards the sky. Relax the shoulders. This is going to get a little bit more intense. Quickly place your hands together in prayer. The left arm is going to go on the right thigh if you can make it happen. If not, just hold it out here just like so. Right here, we're adding a little twist. We're going to step the left leg back to the right leg up, and then we're going to bring it back and back. 2 more times just like this, bringing it up and bringing it back. 1 more time, up and bringing it back. Arms come up to the sky. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Switch, the left leg is front, the right leg is back. Relax the shoulders. Place the hands in prayer. If you can, just hold this twist. If you can go down a little further, rest it on the left leg. If you need to find something that's not moving to help your balance, go for it. We're gonna lean forward, step forward, front, and back. 2 more, front, and back. 1 more, front, and back. Arms come up to the sky, lean forward, step forward. Inhale, swoop up, and exhale, swoop down to a forward fold. Bend your knees if you need to, sink into this for a moment. Inhale, swoop up, and exhale down to a forward fold. Inhale, swoop up, and exhale down to a forward fold. Hang out here for a few moments. Feel free to crisscross the arms and dangle here, rocking side to side. Inhale, swoop up with the arms, finding your chair. Weight goes in the right leg. Left leg steps back. Find your warrior 2. It's gonna get a little bit funky, a little awkward. Hang out here, make sure your right knee stays stable, and same with your left. Slight bend in the back, left leg. Inhale, lift up. We're gonna go ahead and do a twisted warrior. Left arm in front, right arm behind. You may feel awkward. It might be that much of a twist, that's okay. Inhale, center. Exhale, warrior 2. 2 more times. Inhale up. Slight bend in this back knee so you're not hurting that knee. Exhale back. Inhale up. Exhale front. Make sure the knees are stable. Good. Inhale up. Exhale twist. Inhale up. Exhale warrior 2. From here, we're going to bring our arms out to warrior 1. Pivot that back foot. Lean forward. Step forward. A chair. Other side. Left leg in front. Right leg behind. Find the warrior 2. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist that warrior. Inhale up. Twist it over. Inhale up and over. Inhale up and over. Inhale up, pivot the back foot, lean forward, step forward, chair. Lift up, lean back, and find the chair, sink in. 2 more times, lift up and back, and find the chair, sink in. Inhale up, lift back, and chair. Bring your hands to your heart. You can either stay where you are, but I'm gonna face you to a sumo squat. Open up here. Inhale, lift up. We're gonna bring the right arm down, I'm not mirroring you, and left arm over. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch over to the other side. Inhale, center, and over. Inhale, center, and over. Inhale, center, and over. Other side, last time. Inhale, center, and over. Inhale, center, hold. Both feet face to the front now. Hinge from the hips. Left arm down, right arm up. Inhale, up, and switch. Left arm up and switch, and up and switch, and up. And this time we're gonna walk our hands back just a little bit, sink into it a little bit more. Then come on up however you can. We're gonna go ahead and lean forward, step forward, and find that chair. Stand up tall. If you need to hang on to something, go ahead and hang on to something. We're gonna transfer back and forth between a figure four and a dancer pose. So right leg is down, shoulders back, left leg comes up, knee is up, figure four, sit it down, and stand up, find your dancer and kick into that foot, kick it out through. 2 more times, do the best you can. If you stumble out, just get back in, down and sit, and stand tall, and kick back, and down and sit, and stand up, and kick through, holding it here. This last hold, deep breath in and out. Good, relax the shoulders, and gently lower the left leg down. Bring your hands to your heart and take a deep breath in and out. This time switching, kicking the right leg up. Go ahead and figure four, sit it down. Inhale, lift up, kick into that hand, left arm in front. And we're gonna go ahead and bend the right leg, sit it down. Good, 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 weight in the heel, chest up, kick through. Sit it down, take your time if I go too fast. And kick through and hold, hold, hold. Take a few breaths here. Then gently lower down, inhale, swoop up, and exhale, forward fold. Feel free to hang out, dangle, whatever you prefer, really getting the hamstring stretched out here. Then inhale, swoop on up. Hands come to your heart. From here, we're gonna still balance, so if you need to hang on to something, hang on to something. Right leg comes up, right foot flexes, arms come up. We're gonna swoop from here to warrior three. Inhale, bring the foot up and arm up and leg up. And exhale, swoop to warrior three. One more time, up. And swoop to warrior three. Back up if you can. And then this time, we're gonna find a figure four, sit it on down and hold here. Hold, 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 sink into it a little bit more. And gently stand on up, shake it out, shake, shake, shake. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release, let it all out. Other side, left leg comes up, flex the foot, arms come up and over, and swoop it through. Inhale up, you're hinging from the hip. And swoop it through. Inhale up. One more time, you got this, swoop it through. Inhale up. And we're gonna figure four it, sit it down and hold, hold, hold. Inhale, gently come on out of it, shake it out, shake, shake, shake. Find a chair, weight goes in the right leg, left leg steps back. We're gonna stretch the right leg, straightening it out, reach forward, drop the right arm down, left arm comes up to triangle. Then we're gonna bend the right leg, find the warrior two. 2 more times, straighten, reach down, triangle. Bend and find the warrior two. Last time, and we're gonna hold it. Stretch, straighten, and down you go. Hang out here for a few breaths, in and out. See if you can deepen it. Then bend the right leg, come back down and up, to your warrior two. Find your warrior one, pivot the back foot, lean forward, step forward. Let's do the other side, left leg front, right leg back, warrior two. Straighten the left leg, reach forward, drop the left hand, find your triangle, then lift up, bend the left knee, warrior two. Straighten, down, and up, bend. One more time, straighten, down and hold. With your next exhale, go down just a little further if you can do it. Then bend the left leg, come on up. Find your warrior one, pivot the back foot, lean forward, step forward, take a deep breath in. Stay where you are. I'm just gonna go ahead and face the camera. Inhale, lift up, cactus the arms, lean back. 2 more times, inhale, lift up. Exhale. Exhale, lean back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lean back. Then let's go and walk the feet together. Place one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest. Breathe into this upper chest area. And release. Notice your heart rate. Breathe into the belly. And release. Now breathe into both hands. Really expand. And release. And bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. Think of something positive that you can wrap yourself up in a blanket with. Something loving, sincere, and good. Keep this blanket on. You can keep it on after this class, or you can hang it up and put it on you when you need. Take a deep breath in. Namaste. Make sure to always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.